young gangbangers tonight shot him for no reason. I guess because it makes him big and tough. That's where Tyson was shot tonight.
So he was shot in the head.
Yeah, came out through his chest.
And then it came out through his...
Yeah. Guys just went back and forth by you all right. Hey, how tough is he now?
Hey, baby. There you go. Let's sit up. Go and sit right here.
Tell me about it. I need to know you to get better.
Here, can you put something up underneath there to keep him from putting it on the ground? All right, buddy. Okay, there we go. Here, baby. Lay your head on here, okay? Lay your head right there so it doesn't lay on the ground. Here you go. The police were called, but they said that...
Police were called, the town was called.
Yeah, but they said that the man felt threatened because it was a large dog. Poisoning. How much alcohol did he take? Like, not a lot.
Maybe a whole lot.
Like, the lady who owns him is... Somebody asked, she doesn't have, she's homeless, and her and the dog were at a store. A guy felt threatened, he said, and he pulled out his gun and shot him in the head. She didn't know what else to give him to try to help the pain, and that's all she had.